My name is Harlan Barker. I'm a PhD student here at the University of Tampere at the School of Medicine and Life Sciences, and I'm in Seppo Barker's group, which is the anatomy group. My research is in the field of bioinformatics, so I use computer science to improve biological studies. So in particular, what I study is these genes that produce proteins, which is all of our genes. They have triggers which cause them to be expressed, and I use computational means to identify those within our DNA. So my work hopefully can be used by people doing research around the world who are trying to investigate how their particular genes of study might be being expressed. So I have built a tool and a database which should assist them in identifying how these genes are getting triggered. So the bioinformatics group, a lot of the stuff they're doing is on like prostate cancer. Our group works on this carbonic anhydrases, which are applicable in disease and infectious disease and human cancers. So we have a lot of different things going on that are all pretty interesting. And now that we're in one place, we're starting to see some ability to overlap our work and kind of work together. So I would say that Tampere is a really great place to be doing doctoral research right now. Just from my own experience here at the medical campus, since we've kind of consolidated all of our groups into one building. This year and a half, instead of only working within my own group, I've collaborated with like 7 other groups now. Yeah, I would say that it's a really great place to have been a student, because for me, at least as a bioinformatician, there's a lot of resources available. One of the biggest ones that we have is the Center for Science Computing. It's based in Helsinki, but they provide these amazing computing resources. So while I might have a desktop or a laptop here, I have the ability to remote into a supercomputer and run my calculations on 100 CPUs or 1,000 at a time. So it's a huge benefit, which I know is not available to some other, well, even countries in some places. Tampere is a really great place because it kind of is in this place between being a big town and a small city. Beautiful lakes and woods, like just outside of the building here, you can walk 100 meters and you're in the middle of like nature, and another 100 meters and you're at the edge of a giant lake. So it's just a really beautiful place to live. So you get like easy access to the whole town within 20 minutes or so by bus, but you also have like kind of this enough things to do without like all the noise and all the busyness.